Hey Louis, can we make it dark in here? So everyone get your phones out. Get your phones out, put your fucking lights on. Turn this, would you say cunt?
Yeah, cunt!
I've got a microphone prick. See? Friends, other side of the fucking world, I love it. How pretty is that? How beautiful is that? There's something missing up there, Glenn says.
It's so fucking bright you can see me blackheads. Fuck's sake.
Shut up, you love it. You fucking love it. Right, I'm gonna do this one my way, you ready? Doesn't mean put your fucking phones down. Your arm's getting tired. And now the end is near, so I face the final curtain. My friends, I'll say clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain.